What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Hotel Transylvania movie comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan mummy cookies. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of vegan butter, a 1/4 cup of plain or vanilla vegan yogurt, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and for the decoration you'll need 1 or 2 tubes of vanilla icing, some coconut flakes, and some candy eyeballs. Alright, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our vegan mummy cookies. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.